Why your workouts aren't progressing?
Hitting a plateau in your workouts can be frustrating. Even with regular effort, you might not see the results you want. Understanding the common reasons behind stalled progress and knowing how to address each one can help you break through barriers and keep moving toward your fitness goals.
Reason 1, repeating the same routine.
Doing the same exercises in every session leads to adaptation. Your body becomes efficient, making gains slow down or stop. How to fix it? Mix things up. Change exercise types, increase weights, try new classes, or adjust reps and sets regularly to challenge your muscles in new ways.
Reason 2, not prioritizing recovery.
Overtraining without enough rest can stall progress or cause injury. Muscles need time to rebuild stronger after workouts. How to fix it? Include rest days in your schedule. Use recovery methods like stretching, foam rolling, and adequate sleep to support your body's repair process.
Reason 3, poor nutrition choices.
Exercise alone isn't always enough for progress. Inadequate protein, calories, or hydration can hinder muscle growth and energy levels. How to fix it? Focus on a balanced diet with lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and plenty of water to fuel your workouts and recovery.
Reason 4, lack of progressive overload.
Sticking to the same intensity will limit your improvement. Progress requires gradually increasing the challenge. How to fix it? Aim to lift heavier weights, do more reps, or add sets over time. Small, consistent increases help your body continue adapting and improving.
Reason 5, not tracking workouts.
Without tracking, it's hard to know what's working. Guessing leads to missed opportunities for growth. How to fix it? Keep a workout journal or use an app to record exercises, weights, and reps. Tracking progress keeps you accountable and highlights areas for improvement.
Overcome plateaus and keep progressing.
Fitness plateaus are common but beatable. By varying your routine, prioritizing rest, eating well, increasing intensity, and tracking your progress, you'll set yourself up for continued success. Stay adaptable and patient, and celebrate each milestone along your fitness journey.